I promised an unboxing, and here it is. IG-12 and Grogu.
Just a bit of texie dust.
Well, here it is. Now you can see the big old clearance sticker, because I don't pay full price for this stuff. This particular toy, which it's the Black Series, it's supposed to be collectibles, was $33.42. I paid $11 for it, which is still kind of expensive, I think. But I did pay it. I love me some Grogu. Oh, Baby Yoda. It is my jam. So I'm going to take the stickers off first. Originally $33.42. Then it went down to $20.50 and it did not sell. But then my dumb ass came in at $11 and bought it. There it is in the package. Here I am getting the sticker all over my fingers. I'm going to start. Oh wow, there's a whole story on the back. Clever and Zillion droidsmiths refurbished IG-11 salvage parts into a pilotable frame for Grogu, who operates the droid body like a vehicle. Stripped to base motor functions, the droid was renamed IG-12. Ah, and then it's just the same thing in other languages. So it's not a big, long story. It's just a paragraph that gets translated. I'm very observant, let me tell you. There we go. I know I'm completely ruining the value, but that should make some of you very, very happy. I do not keep my stuff in the boxes. And I'll show you that here soon. I'm going to do a little tour of my whole collection, not just the unboxing. Woo! Let's see. There we go. We have the IG-12 unit. Ah, it pops right down. Look at that. Oh, that's so freaking cute. Woo! Well, that was quick. So that right there opens and closes. The little feet move. Alrighty, get that to come down. We'll set him right there. And now we go. Okay. Ooh, the little Enzalian, however you say their name, droidsmiths. The little droidsmiths from a planet I can't name are going to be even harder to get out. Look at the little child. There he goes. Right in his spot. And then you put that up there. Ooh, it's kind of a tight fit with his little body in there. Is it not going to stand now? And then you have your little droidsmiths. They actually popped out rather easily. The rest of the trash. There they are. You ready for the close-up?
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!